Good morning, welcome to my road trip. So I'm heading up to Scotland on this one, and I'm also trying out some commentary and video. Slightly different to what I've done before. This section of road I've always liked, especially on a motorcycle when it's clear. I'm actually heading into Ripley at the moment to meet up with a friend of mine who's coming with me to Scotland. So it's just a question of tracking him down. Can I see a motorcycle? I can see a motorcycle. I can see a motorcycle. Here we go. Hello. How are you? Good stuff. Are you ready for the trip?
I am.
So here we go, we've set off. Nice leisurely ride, heading up towards Darlington. So a little bit on the A1, but the weather's improving. There's blue skies over there, just grey blue. Doesn't look like it's going to rain. We'll make our way to the 68 cafe. Lunch at the 68 cafe, next stop. The wind seems to have picked up here. Certainly nice to see some empty roads for a change. Stuck behind so many farm vehicles. The wind hasn't abated at all either. It's very windy. I suppose the traffic will start to thin out the further north we go. I usually see that when I'm on the N74 going to Scotland, but it's the first time I've been on the A68. I think it was recommended as one of Britain's best biking roads. The forest. Starting to turn a little bit cold now. Tell we're coming to Scotland, near to Scotland, when we can see the marker poles for the snow. wind is certainly picking up here. Scottish border, 1 mile. I don't think we need our passports just quite yet. Welcome to Scotland. Yeah, we'll do our tourist a bit now. So here we are in Scotland. This is the first time I've ridden a motorcycle in Scotland, although I've been to Scotland many times in the car. It's the first time on 2 wheels. And the first order of the day is look for some fuel. There should be a petrol station en route according to the GPS, to the sat nav. So we're making our way towards Edinburgh. Not actually going into Edinburgh, but we're staying at a inn just before Edinburgh. I am impressed by the roads, that's for sure. Looks like the weather's starting to drizzle, mizzle. No, it's not mizzle, there's no mist. The road surfaces are really good. Obviously, probably the further north we go, when we get onto the North Coast 500, they'll probably be not as nice as this and likely to chew up your tyres. The thing that springs to mind about riding on this road is it's a primary route into Edinburgh. Where's the traffic? Is everybody on the A1? Taking it at a leisurely pace. certainly ride on this road compared to the A1. Very sedate and picturesque. So we should be coming up to our accommodation, which could be that building there, I think. Juniper Inn. Yeah, this is it. Let's go check in and see what the room's like.